Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a ComfyTemp brand heated blanket, electric blanket, and it's not working. It might be flashing you, depending on what you have, flashing you an E or an F error, or it might just be blinking and not heating up. And so when you have this situation, 95% of the time, what's going on is just a poor connection issue. It takes quite a bit of electricity for the blanket to actually heat up, and if it can't get that electricity, it will flash an error. So what you need to do is just turn your blanket off and unplug it, and then just check the wiring going in and out of the controller and in and out of the blanket, and make sure that there's nothing loose or disconnected or frayed or damaged or anything like that. And then the next thing you want to do is just plug your blanket back into the wall, but like I said, not into an extension cord, but back into the wall, and not into a power strip either. And make sure it's nice and snugly plugged in. And if the error goes away, especially if you had it plugged into an extension cord or a power strip before, that's probably going to mean that that power strip or that extension cord was simply not heavy duty enough to carry the current that you need to run this blanket. And you should either just run it directly plugged into the wall, or using an extension cord that's heavy duty enough to run the blanket. So anyways, hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.